Now, I'll explain one more problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This question is from the topic Test of Divisibility. In this problem, one 6-digit number is given. You have to find out that whether that number is divisible by 7, or it is divisible by 11 only, or it is divisible by 13 only, or it is divisible by 7 and 11 and 13. You have to find out. See, first of all, you should know the divisibility condition for 7 and 13, because the divisibility condition for 7 and 13 is same only. You have to divide the number into groups of 3 digits starting from the right. Then you should find out the difference between the sum of the numbers in the odd and even places. If the difference is 0 or it is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. If the difference is 0 or it is divisible by 13, then the whole number is divisible by 13. That is the concept. See, I am dividing the number into 2 groups. Because this is 6-digit number, no? 3 digits if you arrange, I am getting 2 groups only. So, I am adding the digits 3 plus 2 plus 5. Again minus 3 plus 2 plus 5, because you have to find out the difference. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 I got. So this 3,25,325 is divisible by 7 and also it is divisible by 13. Next you have to find out whether it is divisible by 11 or not. For that you have to find out the difference between the sum of the digits in the odd places and in the even places. If the difference is 0 or it is divisible by 11, then the full number is divisible by 11. See, I am writing the sum of the digits in the odd places starting from the right. So 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus sum of the digits in the even places 2 plus 5 plus 3. After subtraction I got 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 I got. The difference is 0. So this number is divisible by 11 also. So correct option is D option. That 3,25,325 is divisible by 7, 11 and 13.